Hey everybody, it's Curls by Grace, and I have another wig review for you guys today. This is going to be another first impression. This wig was sent to me by HairTube Beauty, and I will put a link down below for how you guys can check it out. But this wig is Outre lace front wig, and it is Cali in the color DX2216. It has Swiss lace and an L parting. Alright guys, so let's get into this wig. So the only thing I did was put this wig on my head. I'm not even wearing a stocking cap right now. But I can tell right off the bat that it is big head friendly. So this is how the curls come. I have not finger combed them at all. There's definitely a little bit of humpage in the wig. I didn't put it on the mannequin. So this is what it looks like straight out the box. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see how the curls look straight out the box. Okay, so my first reaction is that the hair is soft and it's actually a little bit more silky than I thought it was going to be. I do like the curls. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to just finger comb through them and see how this style will look combed through, because my initial reaction was like, oh my goodness, like what do I have on my head right now? It is a little bit bulky. To me, this wig kind of reminds me of one of my first love wigs. It was called Paris, but Paris doesn't come with Swiss lace. So I was like, okay, you know, this might be like the replacement for Paris, because Paris was a lot more silkier than this. This is like a yaki silk mix. So that's what the side looks like finger combed out. There are definitely some layers going on in this wig, which I really, really like. So now I'm going to do the other side. This is a left side part wig, which I super, super love. So I honestly didn't think I was gonna like this one after taking off the platinum blonde unit that I just had on, but I like it. I feel like it warms my face up just a little bit more, and because it's made for a left side part, I like the bangs that are already in it. I feel like it just frames my face better and it's just falling better. You know how sometimes with the wigs that you can like part in whatever direction, they just don't fall how you need them to fall. This one definitely is falling really, really nicely. So let me try to get this better. Like I said, I'm not wearing a stocking cap or anything right now. Try to get this right. I would say like one con I noticed when I was trying to like pluck the part, because I did pluck the part a little bit, but you really can't tell because of the color, was that the hairline is a little bit thick around the edges, and when you're plucking the part you have to be careful because one side, the track, is a little bit more noticeable. But I'm kind of liking this. Like if I would have put it on the mannequin, I think that the hump action would be gone. So it is a little long, but I definitely could see this as like date night hair for sure. And zip the jacket so you guys can see like exactly how long this is. All right, so this wig does come with combs. It comes with Swiss lace. The texture of the hair is like mixed between silky and yaki. And I'm 5'7.5", and this is how long it is on me. So I really, really like it. I like it. I love the bangs. The bangs are definitely yes. And this wig is big head friendly. Definitely big head friend. And it's moving really, really nicely. So I like that. Look how cute that would be if it was this short. All right, guys, so that is pretty much the end of this review. This was Outre lace front Cali in a color DX2216. I hope you guys liked the review, and don't forget to go to HairTube Beauty. You can check it out, see how much it is. It's very affordable, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.